to bake with Mom. Today we're making fried shrimp. You got it. Let's get started. We'll start with 3/4 cup of yellow corn, 3/4 cup of flour. We have a 1/2 cup of panko with crumbs. Last, we have 1 whole tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it up. This is going to be a delicious brand dish.
Before starting, I butterflied 1 pound of jumbo shrimp. This helps ensure that our shrimp cooks all the way through and also provides more surface area for the breading. Okay, Declan, explain what we're doing.
So, we're gonna put our shrimp in the flour.
Yeah.
You might use your spoon to bury it under the flour.
Mm-hmm. And then you're gonna smush it down?
Yeah, and then you smush it down, and you have your flour on it.
Now, before you put it in the egg, what do we want to make sure of? We want to make sure that the inside of our shrimp has flour, right? Not just the outside. So when we smush it down, we're careful to make sure that we smush it down flat so the inside can get it too, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and let me see it.
Here, little fishy.
Beautiful. Give it a little shake.
Here, little fishy.
Okay, where does it go next?
The egg.
Into the egg.
I said, come here. Mom, why isn't that fishy coming to me?
That fishy? That's a shrimp. It's dead.
Where? The fishy's dead? What shrimp?
That's a shrimp, Bradley. It's dead. It's gonna be yummy. Are you gonna eat some, Brad?
No.
Oh.
I'm not gonna eat a fish.
It's a shrimp. Get it all coated up. Go.
Into here.
Into the breading. Back into the egg. And then back into where?
Here.
The breadcrumbs.
Great.
Beautiful. We're going to coat them in flour, then in egg wash, and then in our nice breading mixture. It's tempting to skip steps here, but I always recommend using all 3 ingredients: flour, egg wash, breading. Simply put, dry sticks to wet, wet sticks to dry, dry sticks to wet. We're dipping back into the egg wash and breading a second time to help build up that nice thick coating. Each time, we make sure that we fan out the wings of our shrimp to get a nice full coverage. Can you pick up your fishy? Yes.
Too slimy.
Not slimy, pick it up by the tail.
Tail.
Good job. My dad requested this bake, and right about now, I'm so happy with how they're coming out.
Time to fry our shrimp. We're doing this with medium heat. Be extra careful.
Good job. Get it down low and tip. Yep, perfect. That's a big one.
Cookies on both sides to go to mom. Grandpa wants it, Grandpa gets it.
Are you going to try any of these?
No,
No.
I don't like shrimp.
I love shrimp.
Huh?
I love shrimp.